आई होप एवरीबडी इज गियर्ड अप. शायद आइसक्रीम से थोड़ी कूलनेस तो आ ही गई होगी. ओके, सो बिफोर वी गो टू नेक्स्ट स्पीकर, एक छोटा सा संस्कृत का श्लोक है, नैना बहन ने बहुत सुना है. नदीनाम शास्त्र पाणिनाम नकिना शुंगिना तथा न चोरहार्य न राजहार्य न प्रतुपाज्यम न च भारकारी व्यये कृते वर्धति एवं नित्यम विद्याधनम सर्वप्रधानम. इसका मतलब ये है कि जिसे न चोर चुरा सकता है, न राजा छीन सकता है, ना ही उसे संभालना मुश्किल है, ना ही भाइयों बेटियों में बंटवारा होता है, या खर्च करने से भरने वाला धन ये है विद्याधन, जो आपसे कोई नहीं चुरा सकता. और शायद यही थोड़ी सी हमारी इच्छा रहती है, इसलिए आज के जैसे इवेंट होते हैं और आप लोगों की उपस्थिति होती है. सो आई अगेन थैंक यू ऑल ऑन मीरा भाईंदर नीमा बिहाफ फॉर कमिंग एंड अटेंडिंग सच अ नाइस सेशन. I will request our next coordinator, Madam Monica, Dr. Monica Patel, and she will give the charge. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Hello, I'm Dr. Monica Patel. I'm introduce our next speaker, Dr. Surajit Kaur Bawa. She is a prestigious Sushma Swaraj awardee, Dr. Surajit Bawa. She is an honorary consultant in skin department in the Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Ayurveda and Hospital, Pune. She is the founder of the Ultra Slim Clinic and a Medical Cosmetology Institute, Mumbai. She is the president of the South Mumbai Maharashtra Ayurveda Sammelan. She is the joint secretary of the Nima Dermatology Society. She is the winner of Miss Beautiful Smile. She is always encouraging the students to practice Ayurveda. Dr. Surjit is a well-known person for the social platform for her knowledgeable videos promoting Ayurveda and the healthy lifestyle for the various diseases. She is instrumental in starting a new skin department in Bharati Vidyapeeth Pune, where the students, where the patients coming from the long distances to seek her treatment for not only the skin diseases but other lifestyle diseases. She has a special interest in Agni Karma. She has a service for the society where she offers the free medical camps and the medical educational programs for the various platforms for the general public as well as the medical officers. Her session was always packed with houseful seats. Dr. Surjit is actively participates in the Ayush Ministry programs. Today we have her with us to guide us for the how to upgrade our practice with the most career in today's time, latest trends in the medical cosmetology and the trichology. She will give the insights on the subject based on her large experience in her field. We are very glad to have an eminent speaker to our CME. Thank you, ma'am. And the now dais is yours.
First and foremost, a warm welcome to one and all, to all you Nima and Ayurveda brothers and sisters. I welcome you all for a wonderful journey called cosmetology and trichology, where you are not only working for your patients, but also you can improve your own persona. Okay. Before I start, there are few things which I observed over here. Nima DVCon. It would not be a successful event unless and until every person has participated with their 100%. I have seen here the team spirit amongst the people of Nima DVCon. It is commendable and I appreciate that. Thank you for giving me this platform. Okay, so now over to our lecture. Would you like to have a nice interactive session? Okay, so let me give a nice demo. Who is here without makeup? Okay, anyone wants to undergo a chemical peel is welcome on the stage. I will do a live demo of chemical peel. डर रहे हैं सब लोग? आप आइए, don't worry, you are in safe hands. Yes. Who wants to come? आइए आइए, please come. Yeah. What's
What's your good name, sir? Dr. Nitin Advani. He feels safe with my treatment. Do you feel safe? Okay. Please have a seat, Dr. Nitin. Okay, we will just have a small discussion on what does Dr. Nitin do for his skin care. आप क्या स्किन का ध्यान रखते हैं सर, जरा बताइए.
Actually, just sunscreen. I'm using sunscreen.
Okay. नहीं, वाइफ को खुश रखना चाहते हैं सर. That's
Cosmetology since last 12 years.
sir is already practicing cosmetology since last 12 years, but still he wants to do chemical peel from me. I appreciate that. आप क्या क्या प्रैक्टिस करते हैं सर कॉस्मेटोलॉजी में?
Peels सब करते हैं. Lasers, IPL, SHR, E-light, Q-switch, CO2, fractional CO2 diode, and hydrofusion.
So he is already practicing cosmetology, so he has got good knowledge. But let us do his peel right now, okay? Jokes should be shared with everyone. May I know what is the cause of laughter, my dear friends? अच्छा. Okay. So I'm going to cleanse his skin or degrease his skin right now. Comfortable? Because he is practicing cosmetologist without makeup and without any dust on his skin, okay? So nice. तो आपको भी ये सब करना चाहिए. someone please help me with a timer? Bas, yeah, thank you. So we'll leave it for 5 minutes. Okay? Yeah. I have applied RG peel to his skin. This is a very mild peel which we are going to do. Sorry?
What does it stand for, RJ?
RG, see, these peels are basically plant-based, acids which we are applying on the skin, which exfoliate the skin. We are causing micro-injury or chemical injury to the skin, and we are promoting collagen. Okay? Yeah. Okay. I just want to know how many are practicing cosmetologists over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. धीरे धीरे हाथ के ऊपर आ रहे. Only 6 of you? Okay. Do you feel like practicing cosmetology? Okay, so now more hands. Right. I've heard that there are a lot of online cosmetology courses going on, but people have approached me saying that they don't have that confidence to understand which peels to use, which serums to use, and how to decide your machines are correct or not. So there are a lot of, the market is flooded with these machines and peels, but the cosmetologists, they lack that confidence because you don't have that hands-on experience. So meanwhile, we'll come back to Dr. Nitin and we'll ask him, do you feel any irritation on your skin? You're comfortable, right? So the peel which I'm using, it is a Swiss-based international peel which are very controlled and they do not cause much damage to the skin. At the same time, he will get wonderful results. We should always click a before picture before doing the treatment. Dr. Nitin's picture we did not click because he is already a cosmetologist. How much time is elapsed? Can you please tell me?
Madam, it's 3.5 minutes.
Okay.
Then you stop.
Usually whenever we apply peel, we should always ask your patient if he or she is feeling any tingling or any burning or any itching at the skin, right? आप कौन से peels use करते हैं सर? 5 minutes? Done?
Yeah.
Okay. So now I'm going to neutralize the acid on his face.
Madam, what are you applying now?
This is cold water. बहुत जगह पर न्यूट्रलाइजिंग के नाम पर पानी डाल के देते हैं. ये हमें पता होना चाहिए, बहुत सारे लोगों को नहीं पता होता है.
Nitin, how are you feeling now?
I don't know, just see my face.
Just spread it evenly. सो अभी तुरंत उनके चेहरे पर आपको ग्लो तो दिखेगा, बट असली जो चेहरा है और 4-5 दिन के बाद और ज़्यादा ग्लो आएगा. ठीक है. सो माय डियर कॉस्मेटोलॉजिस्ट, आप एक केमिकल पील के लिए कितना चार्ज करते हैं अपने क्लिनिक में? अरे बताइए, कोई कंपटीशन नहीं है. ओके. कितना चार्ज करते हैं बताइए.
He's saying depends on the patient.
हाँ, ये सर ने असली आंसर दिया. See, it is the same peel which we are using, but it depends upon the affordability of the patient. You can even go to the extent of charging 4,500 for one session if you are using good peels and the results are quite evitable and very much evident on the face. So, sir, we are done with your peel. आपको कोई इरिटेशन वगैरह तो नहीं है स्किन में? ठीक है. ओके. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच. ठीक है. आई थिंक सो वी आर एक मैंने पील का प्रोसीजर बता दिया. आवर टाइम इज गोइंग शॉर्ट. दिस सेज दैट प्लग इन बैटरी इज डाउन विद दिस. Okay, see, this cosmetology industry, it is flourishing like anything. Okay, India is booming into it, and the doctors, I feel that you should take advantage of this situation, or it's an opportunity to improve your income. General practitioners are the first point of contact for the patients. So if you are seeing the patient and their skin is going bad, if you see melasma, if you see some, moles, you can do all these things with ease in your clinic, just a matter of updating or upgrading your knowledge. And we Ayurveda doctors have Agni Karma with us and also Ayurveda medicines which will enhance our results. We have Twachya medicines, Kesha medicines which we add to the treatment modalities and we improve our results. So it is an appeal. See, dentists have also entered this arena. Okay, because of the high earning potential in this. Just that you need to get educated with the right person and experienced hands. So that you are not running pillar to post to understand कौन सा मशीन खरीदूँ, कौन सा पील खरीदूँ, कौन सा सीरम अच्छा है. जहाँ पर आपको ये अच्छा नॉलेज मिले आपको ये करना चाहिए. So as time is less, I hope you enjoyed the session, and if you have any questions, please Yeah, you are welcome to ask me.
Are you conducting any courses for other doctors?
Yes.
Okay. And is it round a year or you have certain times of the year you conduct?
So we have certifications, we have diploma programs, but I feel ये जो भी चीज़ें हैं डिप्लोमा डिग्री हम डॉक्टर्स हैं हम प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं हम बेकार में वी आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू सर्च इंटरनेशनल अक्रेडिशन और इसका है क्या मतलब हम अलाउड है कि नहीं अगर आपने किसी योग्य व्यक्ति से सीखा है और अगर आप सही कर रहे हैं तो आपको डरने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं बिकॉज यू आर डॉक्टर्स दिस आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू टेल यू येस सर प्लीज़ मेलाज्मा के लिए सारी दुनिया परेशान है उसका इलाज किसी के भी पास नहीं है बट yes there are some if you understand the prakriti here you have to apply some ayurveda knowledge over here if the person is of pitta prakriti अगर उनको आप थोड़ा सौम्य विरेचन देते हैं या थोड़ा पित्तग्न मेडिसिन देते हैं तो उनका मेलाज्मा में अच्छे रिजल्ट्स मिलते हैं देन हेयर कलर यूजुअली मोस्ट ऑफ द लेडीज़ या जेंट्स ऑल्सो जब वो हेयर कलर्स यूज़ करें उसकी वजह से भी स्किन पिगमेंटेशन हो जाता है देर आर वेरियस एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ मेलाज्मा which you have to, if you think from Ayurveda aspect, there are good results. Yes, sir.
Madam, use of derma roller for hair growth.
Derma roller, according to Ayurveda also, and as per allopathy also, or modern medicine, it is like prachan karma. In Ayurveda, they say rakta mokshan. Like स्थानिक जो भी वहाँ पर there is स्थान वैगम्य या whatever there is स्थानिक pathology. उसको ट्रीट करने के लिए इफ वी यूज डर्मा रोलर ओवर देयर वी गेट वंडरफुल रिजल्ट्स बट अलॉन्ग विद दैट वी कैन यूज सम स्टेम सेल्स देर आर सम प्लांट स्टेम सेल्स या एंड ह्यूमन स्टेम सेल्स आर बेटर सो थैंक यू एवरीवन इफ यू हैव मोर क्वेश्चंस आई एम ऑलवेज अवेलेबल थैंक यू
Thank you.
Okay, as I promised, we will be having lucky draw program from us. Two makeovers, one is facelift and one is MDA from our clinic. Aa jao, please Dr. Naira, come on the stage. Dr. Monica will be picking up the lucky ones from the lot. So can we have some small nice music? कोई भी म्यूजिक लगाओ क्योंकि लकी ड्रॉ कूपन निकलने वाला है तो जिसका भी उसको थोड़ा अच्छा लगना चाहिए सुनने के लिए आप आंखें बंद कर लीजिए मोनिका मैडम शफल 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 ओके या सो डॉक्टर प्रदीप बी यादव 9322523586 डॉक्टर प्रदीप यादव Congratulations, Dr. Pradeep Yadav. You win our MDA treatment from our clinic at Ultra Slim Clinic and Medical Cosmetology Institute. And we give him a premium card of our clinic to avail our services. Congratulations, Dr. Pradeep Yadav, sir. Congratulations, sir. Next, आइए मोनिका मैडम, one more. Now the facelift and the makeover treatment by Ultra Slim Clinic. डॉक्टर मधुरा कुलकर्णी थाने के हैं ये मैडम. डॉक्टर मधुरा कुलकर्णी गए तो फिर we should have one more, okay? Yeah. प्रिस्क्रिप्शन पैड के ऊपर डॉक्टर गुफराना अंसारी 8655708077 डॉक्टर गुफराना अंसारी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस डॉक्टर गुफराना यू हैव वन facelift makeover at Ultra Slim Clinic.
very nice and workshop. Be a dice for felicitation.
Hello. For Madam's felicitation, I am inviting Dr. Bhavne, Dr. Dubewar, Dr. Narendra Tripathi, Dr. Phadtare, Dr. Bansode, Dr. Prasad Pawar, and Dr. Jamil. All Mumbai team. Bhavne sir, please come.
हॅलो. डॉक्टर दुबेवार सर मुंबईचे प्रेसिडेंटसुद्धा राहून गेले आहेत आणि शिवाजी पार्क जिमखानाला सर व्हाईस प्रेसिडेंट आहेत. डॉक्टर नरेंद्र त्रिपाठी सर पण आयुर्वेदा डॉक्टर्स असोसिएशनचे ते एका ठिकाणी अध्यक्ष आहेत. डॉक्टर फडतरे सर मुंबई निमाचे अध्यक्ष आहेत आमचे. डॉक्टर प्रसाद पवार सर मुंबईचे पदाधिकारी पण आहेत आणि शिव आरोग्य सेनाचे मुंबईचे अध्यक्ष आहेत. मानकोट डॉक्टर्स असोसिएशनला पण सर अध्यक्ष आहेत. डॉक्टर जमील सर मुंबईचे एक्झिक्युटिव्ह मेंबर आहेत. डॉक्टर बनसोड सर सेक्रेटरी निमा मुंबई. सर दुबेवार सर आणि फडतरे सर सिनियर मेंबर आणि मॅडम स्पीकरसुद्धा मुंबईचेच आहेत. एक मिनिट, सर्व मेंबर्सना मी विनंती करेल की स्टेजवरच थांबावं. डॉक्टर राजेश राऊत सर, वराडे सर आणि सुनील चोपडे सर सर्व मुंबईच्या पदाधिकाऱ्यांचं आपण स्वागत करावं अशी मी विनंती करतो. डॉक्टर प्रसाद पवार सर, डॉक्टर जमील सर यांचं स्वागत करावं. डॉक्टर फडतरे सरांचं स्वागत करावं. डॉक्टर वराडे सरांना विनंती करतो. डॉक्टर बनसोड सरांचं स्वागत करावं. राजेश राऊत सर. सिनियर मेंबर डॉक्टर दुबेवार सरांचं स्वागत सुनील चोपडे सर करतील अशी त्यांना विनंती करतो. डॉक्टर नरेंद्र त्रिपाठी सरांचं स्वागत वराडे सर करतील अशी त्यांना विनंती करतो. थँक्यू.